Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, sir, brothers and sisters. Greeting once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. I'm going to grow the platform. See? Tonight we're going to kick off tonight with, a bit of an, admiration and joyous meds, because we see some youth do a thing in a Jamaica. See, the other day, what them do, I go straight night. Basically what them do is make them own a party and go in front of Tastier's party and give it to a free. You know, see, but it's before with expressway joy in the genius, but the genius and thing, we'll show the video. The video is about 9 to 10 minutes long. See, so watch what go on, listen to the review them from people, how people react and things like that towards the initiative. And you don't know. See, but what more first more I know say I have him channel it name Mega Mac. See, I'm gonna do my best for leave the link in the description. See, so the item can go check out him channel too and see where I'm going with. Now this lift my spirit so much that we can't stop smile. It's a green trigger. You know see it, cause me love them initiative yeah, we not see. Them initiative yeah missing from the thing. You know see it, prank take over and them little thing the way people are ridicule one another and get a profit out of it while we have a struggling nation where you can do a lot better. You know see? So we love them little initiative yeah, even when government now pay we don't mind. Now the youth channel name it spelled M3GGA. You know that mega there? M number 3 GGA capital MAC. See it? Yeah, I feel him channel that. See, someone go check him out and hear where I'm going with over there. Them do them little thing and I love it. I love them positive movie from youth and it impacted them bad. I mean, impacted them, yeah. Because people, me hear nobody complain, no Jamaican people stay them that spit it out. You know see it? No, the only problem him have is the way him introduce himself. In the beginning, initially when him start him look kind of shaky like him himself and believe say him give a free party for two. You get what I say? Him shall look a bit brighter, introduce himself. You know, I start a new party brand. See the name here? It's name can't remember what it name, you know. Sure. See it? You don't see it in the video. See it? But him replicate Tasties in our way still. Tastier. See it? And I have the t-shirt them and thing and so him shall say, I bake some party outside, I bake some party, I introduce some new party to the market and thing like that. And my product, and I call them Tastier. I mean, I give a sample outside for free. You can come check it out and tell me, give me your tell me what you think about it, something like that type of thing. And the people would pick up more, but when you come like me, I give you some free party. To Jamaica people, them feel like you're Salvation Army, brother. You know, see it? You have to just make, you know see it in a Tasties, them they prepare for buy a Tasties party and you come like your Salvation Army, them no one and so. You know see, so not that you know do well, you do very well. I love it, everything, but just give you a sales speech. You have to go, the energy, the energy, think about it and push it. You know see, yeah. Anyway, I can watch the video and we'll deal with it some more. We give thanks, Rastafari.
I opened a free party shop right across from Tasties to run them out of business. Them are rob people for too long with them high prices. So today we now gonna make them sell even one party.
Break yourself.
Free party. If you just walk come over there right now.
But we do things kinda different around here.
Yo, look at them, man.
Look at
Me even remake them logo. Cause free party not tasty. It tastier. Just hope them not sue me.
Listen, come back to ties.
Ready, you know, wait. Press on my thing. enough people there, man. I hear me good, let me hear a thumbs up. Let me see a thumbs up. Alright, go. We are giving free party by us, you know, if you come in and taste it.
If you are thinking to buy from Tastier, don't even think about it. We have free party right outside. You sure? You not hungry?
We are giving some free party outside and you can get some literally right now. Two, one for you and three. Beef or cheese. Like right outside.
I'm not sure. What am I not giving free party?
We are trying to run Tastier out of business. So we don't want to sell the customers. Look over there, we're over there right now.
So what is it?
We can give for them.
Eh?
Can give for them.
You can give it to them 4 party then what?
4 party right now.
A tasty party?
At this point, I wonder how nobody no want a free party. I must true, me never brush my teeth, but this man I never met that bad him.
We're giving free party out there, sir. And you can get it right now if you just come here.
Free party?
Yeah, beef or cheese.
I go look to get 5.
Alright, I give you 5 right now.
And that's how we get at work, brother. With first customer. Just look at this man. The happiest moment of his life.
Auntie, 1 cheese?
5 burger.
Free party over there, so you can get it literally if you walk from over there.
Where?
Right, that's all.
Just look how happy this woman is walking out of Tastier when she hear about free party. Cause she knows her freeness come with with party. Business did kinda slow, so I have to make Leech roll out with the free party sign when not even one unborn baby can refuse. While me try to kidnap more people. This man want to eat the whole party bag, and this little girl must sprint go post on her status to the party shot, because after that, business was booming. Then we take a break to get to some other people in town. You know? Those who actually need it.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing today? I'd like to invite you to the girl's YouTube channel. We're gonna give us some free party. And today, just want to make sure to make a deal by giving you lunch basically. Say already, I am boss. I have a good day. Take out one of the hot ones, you know? Very hot. Got it. Today, you know, so we are going to eat the less fortunate, so food and some good things, and we so come across you guys, and you know, we just want to make a deal by giving you a party, and a Cranberry water. This can bring us to that we basically go around and give out some party to normal people, but yeah, make sure people who actually need it get it. So I go you know, make sure you eat lunch today. Have a good day, boss. Hold them. Taste is broke today.
I'm going to party even though we party.
I mean, of course. 2 party. Cheese and beef. Tell them you don't want a party.
You don't party from them.
Tell them straight. Come on, you know, man. Tell them you don't want a party.
Alright, cashier. I'm going to serve you a party for all of them. Not yet.
I go try to convince when I work at them, so I can give them something. Watch out, just 1 second. Just come on. I can carry come here. I can carry come here. Like food party tastes better. I give you a free patty over there, so you can get it right now if I come over the beef or cheese. Like, look, if I look over there, I can see it right now. Right over there, so see patty them over there. Free patty. If I just walk over there right now. Look, like they're right over there. So. My brand launch today. Today, my brand launch today. You have to come outside for it.
After me I try convince this lady for one whole hour, she finally decide to make the right move. But then this happened.
Yeah, problem no.
Yeah.
But I lose too much customer.
Obviously, that's the reason.
Well,
Catch him.
point remain. Yes, this is how we have to move. Cause we have to take away what I
Oh, you need the car.
Brother, the people that's over move from the brother. They're vexed. Why would you spend money with tasting when you can get it for free?
Calm down.
Careful what you say.
Yeah, that man say, calm down. We'll give it to more people. Apparently, them a lose too much customer and security, them have to kick way out. Then can't angle we.
Because it's so shame.
And if you want to see we run KFC out of business next, get this video to 50,001 like. Cause while some place thief, KFC too thief. Yeah brother, we have merch now so you can join the movement. I make them place to drop them price, man. And if you still not like the video, this black screen so that I can look on reflection and think about what I do in the life. Cause clearly I work with KFC. I could make Jamaica great again. But in the meantime, I could give party to the lady where they support her from morning.
Beef or
From
cheese?
day one, man.
Of course.
Today from day
You
one.
want to make
I
sure
want
taste or
free
something?
party for everybody, all of my ancestors, granny, my mother, my auntie, and my uncle, everybody. My 2 teeth, granny up here, the 6 hungry people. I want free party for everybody.
She said party.
Go through.
She said party, girl party. Girl party.
These are stress,
2
but
cheese.
this don't look bad.
Girl
A long time I not seen nothing fraggy way.
Girl
Oh
party.
God, this look good. A long time I not seen nothing fraggy way. Could I have trip?
Yeah, girl godfather.
You know if you buy back no more party from Tastier, there?
So I wouldn't do that. After party I give away free. Save my money.
Sample time make we know how I go on.
Right, where you say, take a bite out of it?
Take a
Same.
bite.
Right now,
A bite to go.
how big you want me go?
A bite to go.
Well big?
As big. Thank God. Say thank God. Thank God.
Thank God.
Alright, let's say a word, man. Take out the party again. A bite to go? No bite to go? You're not hungry, man.
No, do it, you know.
No, man, we don't need like the taste, man. Tomorrow. We don't need.
Man, sample time make we know if it's better than Tastier.
Taste the air. Say that. Yeah. What we done? I will not get none. I will not get none.
All the way out here, staff, we give a party them, run Tastier out of business. KFC next.
Yeah, you see it? Yeah, I love it. The people them love the party. You know, see it, and a them thing I will love and wish the scammer them and people like them there could have pick up an initiative like them here. You know, see it? Oh, some scammer can buy some abandoned land, some land nearby to the tourist area. You know, see it? It don't have to depend on the tourist area. You know, see it? And build up some B&B, you know, some decent little wooden type cottage style. You know me I say some chateau, some type of, you know me I say wooden cottage type thing and rent them out to tourists, advertise them pan the net and them way there and you know Airbnb them out. Them shot, you know, and that now would make uno same one in turn want keep the community peaceful because it becomes now relative investment to the item. You see, it benefit the item feet, keep calm, it benefit the developer enhancing the business. We take care of one another and take care of ourselves more and interact with foreigner. You know see, yes Rasta, it's easier, it's far simpler. You see it, and it's easier manifested than this pension for kill one another with least thing. We run and take out one another life the wickedest way, like some joke thing or some competition for show the world say we wickeder than everybody else. You see it, them things that are nice rasta. Yeah, and them thing are the singer them and the DJ them for sing about them youth here. You see it, and the maddest thing about it is that 43 million wasted pan Camino Johnson the other day. Yeah. We could have did struck that on the back of the pandemic now as a start and you know me I say a prop up for young business or entrepreneurs like them, yeah. So that them can give them a prop, you know, push start on the way where them go. You know, hear the youth them I mention nothing like any, you know, private sector or government body they be an initiative like them, yeah. And a whole heap of them qualities, yeah. You know, different areas exist in Jamaica today. We know that Jamaica is a shoemaking nature from morning. Me member Rockford usually compete against clerks. I never, yeah, third world clerks. We used to compete against because we build one name, fourth world. Big up yourself, Skeng. Or Skeng daughter them. Anyone of them in the world on the father make bad man, gangster and everybody. We wear a fourth world and not feel no way. Cause clerks man have to stay so I look on it and I wonder where that, who that. Furthermore, me there all a country. Me there all a Clarendon. A man I look at my shoes and me says a fourth world man and country man. Shake him head and say, yeah, but him not ask one name so. Him know it fourth world was that publicized and established class Jamaica. And enough man would agree with me when me say what me I say. Skeng, a brown new from out of Rockford and Glasspool Avenue. So him was one of the first man usually ride him Z90 and he was one of the skillest rider during film era. When him, you know me I say, but you know him grow old as we all do. You know see it. So enough respect Skeng, Squeng, anywhere there, my general. You know see it. Initiative like them there we know all heap of youth still have that nature there to create them design and patch up in a Warwick Hill. Remember June at Demos from Rona Jarrett Lane them man there you could have anything. You know see it, you could have give them man there and tell them. You know if you show them a picture, you know, you tell them man there where you want, when you come back, whenever you come back, whenever it's done. You know that's the case is whenever it's done. Exactly like how you envision it in your brain, you get it. You see, these initiative needs to be, you know, step on. So that the youth them can create an economy. The good thing about it is that, like we say, you see in bold generation Z then, yeah? Establish Jamaica as a brand. Jamaica itself is a brand, Rasta. The youth them don't need no push other than the flag on it. You know see, for them name and the flag, and them are every youth we're going at any sort of, you know, have an income. I wonder how comes them now. All the furniture industry where we so good at making antique looking furnitures where we not see exist, boy. Yeah. You know see it, I mean know them type of furniture that are shut off. Why if our government did open up all our Jamaica type store, boy, yeah, or set some youth to set it up and export like them same fix up furniture there. Where you call them there? I can't remember where them name now, but everybody know where them name. You know see it, where them come in a pre-pack and then you unpack them and put them together like a puzzle. Our country not looking to them sort of thing there. What make you feel us Jamaican wouldn't buy our thing rather than, you know see, the little screw business and the little tricks them with them European use. It's easy adapted and learn. The Chinese them do that within a week, Rasta. You know see, them little thing you think of look into. Today is internet, I do it. Everything they online. Oh, our government start back the school year and I talk about them advancement education and the new curriculum, this and the new that. We don't hear no adjustment in it, no aggressive approach towards IT. You know, see, the equipment them where if you make a bread after the IT are the most expensive thing them for bring import in the island. Even for bringing it as a gift for somebody who could have potentially use it for help the community. At least a man can send an email on him neighbor laptop to make a job application or full out an application form or something like that on him neighbor laptop. You know, see, that's him can get a job. No, you have to pay the same price when you buy it for abroad. At airport down there, for carrying industrial equipment in Jamaica. This is what a laptop and them sort of thing is today. A computer and laptop should be like a chalk, you know, a pencil, crayon, learning equipment, them the rasta. You know, see, you can't, the little entertainment with them there have value. Little entertainment value with them there is of rasta. You know, economic worth far outweigh that. You know, see, it shouldn't be so expensive to send a laptop come give your family or even a smartphone. Rasta, they want to persecute you at the airport if you bring in advanced technology in the country where can help better. You know, it can, you know, Chano is a heartbreak. But we love how them youth do it with the party thing. You know, see it? Mega Mac. See? Follow him channel, give him a support there and help push him because we love them effort and give it put a smile, a joy in my heart. You know, see it? We give thanks once again. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.